An AirC4i system aims to give a full situation awareness of a country in order to allow air forces to manage their sovereignty and preserve their airspace integrity. Augmented AirC4i is about managing air operations in a highly connected air combat. It's about giving a better knowledge of the airspace, taking into account current sources as radars, new sources as ISR and so on, leveraging also on the digital transformation to provide new decision aids based on artificial intelligence, data analytics to reduce the stress of the operators and give them new alerts to better efficiency of their missions. So the augmented AirC4i really leverage on the 4 pillars of the digital technology which are the heart of Thales technologies, so cyber, artificial intelligence, big data and data analytics.